Hey everybody, this is Jonathan with Western Auto Care in Stanton, working on a 2023 GMC. Has a random PO300, which is a random misfire on one or two or more cylinders, and it has a the P05D cold rough idle on cold startup. So we went ahead and I pulled the heads. This is the block right here, and the heads are over there on the bench. But I just want to show you that what I found. And you know, they say to replace injectors, but the injectors don't seem bad. But on this side, this is the bad cylinder, I think. I'm sending it out to the machine shop tomorrow. It looks like this exhaust valve is not seating all the way. Because if you look at the other ones, I mean, I could be wrong, but sometimes I'm right. Most of the time. But just want to show you guys. If you guys like what you see, just like, share, comment, subscribe.